Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a gingerbread Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our gingerbread Godzilla, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here and we're just going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then we're going to bring it back. Next I'm just going to kind of curve this line around in a circle. And then we'll bring this line down. Then we'll make a couple little lines back here. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down for like the front of the nose. Then we're going to bring this line over, and we're going to come down and up and down. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line up and then over. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a circle and a circle for the nostrils. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, down, and back over here to make it look like some icing is on him. Do that same thing here, up and over. Next, we're going to bring this line down and over here. Then we're going to bring this down and up. Then we're going to bring this over and up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that's just going to kind of go right around the mouth so it looks like icing. We'll draw a little line down here. Next, we're going to make some teeth, and we're going to keep these pointed, but they're going to be kind of rounded at the same time. And then same thing here, kind of pointed, but also rounded at the same time. And then we're going to curve a line up here. And we'll do the same thing, just a couple teeth. I'll make another line here to make it look like icing. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down here. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line down and up, and then down and up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down and then over. And then same thing here, we're going to go down. And we're going to bring this over and then down. We'll come down and up, and then down and up here. I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to jump past this hand and we're going to curve it to here. Next, I'm going to make this line come down like this. We're going to come down to a point and over. We'll do another one here, and then one more right here. Next, let's bring this line up, and then we're going to curve it around here. Let's do another arm over here. We're going to bring this line down. We're going to curve this down and up for like a thumb. We're going to draw a line down, one here, and then one here, and we'll bring it up. And then we're going to bring it back and do a little line here. We'll make another leg here. We're just going to go out and down like this. Bring this down to a point and back, down to a point, and then one more here. Then we're going to bring this up and over. Next, starting here, we're going to draw this line down, and we're going to bring this up and kind of make it round for the tail. Then we're going to bring this line down to here. We'll add a couple little curves, and then we're just going to bring this line back here for the tail. Now let's make some of the spikes on here. So I'm going to begin by just kind of going up and down, and then up and down like this. You can see they're pointy, but they're kind of round too. We'll do that same thing. I'll put like 4 points on this one. And we'll do a couple more like this. You can see they're kind of pointed, but rounded at the same time to kind of give it a little bit of that cookie look. And then we're just going to do that same thing right across the tail here. Next, let's add some details on here. So right across each one of the claws, I'm going to make it look kind of wavy like this. So it looks like they're made out of icing or they've been like dipped in icing. So we're going to do this on each one of the claws. Then I'm also going to put these kind of wavy lines right around the wrist of our Gingerbread Godzilla and around like the ankle of our Gingerbread Godzilla. We're just going to put these right around the wrist and the ankles. Next, I'm going to make kind of like this wavy line down here so it kind of looks like there is icing right across the back of our Gingerbread Godzilla. Then I'm going to curve this line up and down, up and down, up and then down, kind of make it look like more icing. And then I'm going to put some more of these lines coming right down the tail. This just kind of makes it look like there's icing on him and gives it kind of like a little bit of that line texture that we would normally see on the tail. Right here, I'm going to make a curve and then another little curve. And then same thing here. I'm going to put a like an oval shape with then a curve inside of it. Then we're just going to kind of go down and then put like an X in there. Same thing here, down, and then we'll kind of just put a little V shape there. Kind of make it look like there's candy on them. I'm going to make like a little circle with like a line in it on his knee. Same thing here, a circle with like a line in there. Then I'm going to curve this line here, and I'm going to add another little curved line to make it look like icing. Same thing here, I'm going to curve this, and then we're going to make a little curved line in here so it looks like more icing. We'll put a couple more little curved lines in a few little spots on here. Just kind of give it that icing look. Then I'm going to add a couple little kind of wavy lines on here to add some more icing. And then I'm just going to make this kind of wavy line right across here to make it look like his spikes are made out of gingerbread too. So we're just going to kind of redraw this line inside the spikes. It's going to be a little bit tricky on some of these smaller ones, so just kind of do it the best you can. And then right out here, we're going to give him a little bit of his atomic blast, but we're going to do this a little different. We're going to make a line that's going to come out, and we're going to make some points on it, and we're going to bring it back and kind of curve it. Then we're going to put some more points here. And let's add some curves on it so we kind of make it look like it's a broken piece of like a candy cane. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Gingerbread Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.